MyMonero web wallet. So here I am at getmonero.org. You can go to getmonero.org in order to find out more about Monero. It says that Monero is a secure, private, untraceable currency. It is open source and freely available to all. Down at the bottom it says that the fastest way to start using Monero is with a web account manager such as MyMonero. So we'll go to Getting Started at the top and click on How to choose a Monero client. Here we're going to look at MyMonero. MyMonero.com is easy to use and works in your browser without you needing to install anything. It can be used with some measure of safety as MyMonero are unable to spend your funds on your behalf. It is owned and operated by Riccardo Spagni, one of the Monero core team members. So I'm going to click on MyMonero and that will take me to MyMonero.com. So you can go directly here if you want to create a MyMonero wallet. It's really easy to get started. I'm just going to click on Create an Account, and this will create my account. So we'll just read through some of the notifications here. Take note of your private login key. Below this, you will find your 13-word private login key. Keeping this secure and private is very important, as it is the only way that you will be able to log into your MyMonero account. As we don't store your private login key on the server, there is no way to recover it if it is lost. Your private login key can also never be changed, and if it is stolen or otherwise compromised, you will have to move your funds to a new account with a new private login key. Therefore, it is best that you back up your private login key by writing it down, perhaps obscuring it as part of a poem or letter, and storing it in multiple safe and secure places. Next, we need to understand the risks in using MyMonero. MyMonero is a web-based interface that allows you to use Monero without running a full Monero node. However, because this convenience comes at a cost, it is extremely difficult for MyMonero to securely deliver its code to your browser. This means that there is a considerable risk in using MyMonero for large amounts. It is recommended that you treat MyMonero as you would treat your actual wallet, and not store very large amounts in it. For long-term storage of Monero, you should create a cold wallet using Monero address or similar. Now we find our private login key. So we should copy that private login key and record it someplace. I'm just going to create a text document on my desktop for now and paste it into my text document. You should probably write this down offline somewhere and keep it safe. MyMonero wants me to confirm my private login key, so I'm going to paste my private login key into the field. Then I'll click on I've written down my private login key, log me in. And here is my wallet page. Here's my address, so I'm going to copy my address and again paste that into my text document. You can see it's a very long address compared to most cryptocurrency addresses, so I'll save that and close it. Now we can take a look at the actual wallet. We can see on the account overview page, it will show you a brief transaction history and then choices to look at transactions, send and receive. So I'll click on transactions, and here it would list all of my transactions. So I'll go back to overview and then I'll click on send funds. And here we can send funds to another wallet, to someone else, or to an exchange, or to another one of our wallets. We can put in our receiver address or amount, optionally a payment ID if we have one, and we can choose our privacy level from low, medium, high to paranoid. Now I'll go back to overview and click on receive. Here we can see our address. We can type in an amount that we want to receive. We can type in a label, some sort of ID or message. And then we see our payment ID. And if we go down, we'll see a QR code. So we can use this QR code to rapidly receive payments. Instead of emailing or typing out a Monero address, someone sending you funds merely has to scan the QR code using a Monero client that supports this system. If you have entered the information in the form above, the QR code will be automatically populated with that information once you click the receive button. So I'll click the receive button, that information will be stored in the QR code, and I can go ahead and use that QR code to receive the amount of funds that I want to receive. So I will go back to the overview page, and we can go up to the account menu on the top. We can click on Review Login Key, where you can again see your login key in case you want to double check something there. We can go and take a look at Import Transactions. Now, I've never used this before, but you could use this to import transactions that you have in a different wallet so that you can see all of your transaction history together in this wallet. And we can click on Account Details, and that will show us all of our account details, our account address, our view key private key, and our spend key private key. Additionally, we can click on Support, and here there is an email for email support and an email for bugs and feedback. So that's about it. You can check out and start using this wallet if you want to start mining quickly. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.